homestead of the Bengalla Mining Company with Muswellbrook High School students learning about sustainable mining and rehabilitation. We've got a couple of different activities that students are participating. We have CQ University on site with their agritech activities where students are using GPS cows activities and learning about accelerometers and data tracking. We've also have students who are testing sugar levels in fruit. And of course, Bengalla has been showing us their drone equipment and how they do surveying of their sites. So lots of opportunities for students to look at some real authentic learning opportunities and careers in STEM.
Bengalla Mining Company is thrilled to be part of the Muswellbrook High School MACE program. We've got a lot of skilled workers and professionals working at Bengalla through survey, geology, engineering, and they've got a lot to give. There's a lot of technology that we use on the site that is transferable to STEM and agriculture.
Hi, my name's Taylor and I'm from Bengalla.
And I'm Alex. Really enjoyed the kids. They had a lot of energy and that's really fun to see. A lot of knowledge already about maths, which was cool.
I enjoyed how engaged the kids got with the activities, seeing as though a lot of the time you would think that they wouldn't really care and they probably didn't want to get into it, and they all really tried and had a go, which was really good.
Bengalla, I would encourage you all to get involved. It's really good to get that community side, get the kids involved, get a bit of a taste of what we do out here. It's a lot of fun.
Just do it!